So here's Tom. It is coming up to 10 a.m. and he's been training since 6 a.m. I think he did getting on for a 3-hour bike session, straight onto the treadmill for a run. So he's only got, I think, less than 300 meters left to go. So we'll ask him how he's feeling afterwards. How was that, Tom? We think that was, what, about a 3-hour bike, and then looks like about a 70-minute run, was it?
2.5 hour bike, yeah, and then...
Oh, a bit shorter.
Yeah, 70-minute run. Very silly tempo. Race pace intervals of 4k, 2k, 1k, 1k, 2k, 4k. Testing the set for Lids. I pretty much test all Lids sets before she does them, so she's got this coming up later today. And she's in the background having a bit of a moment, and obviously got to get ready to help George catch his body. Okay, try in a few weeks' time. Right, George, fancy that?
Well, there we go. Some inside info.
I'm not entirely sure that I'm going to be even good enough to be anywhere near George, but
we'll soon find out.
I can hope.
You are about 20 years older than George.
I'm
Actually, more than that.
More than that.
About 25 years older than George, maybe more.
27, I think.
27, okay.
It's quite a lot.
Yeah.
Like literally twice your age, nearly. So. But hey, that's the game. Yeah, it was on.